Are you having bad audio in your OBS? Are you streaming poor quality audio and you're wondering how you can better it? This is the video that you need to watch. So first things first, let us go ahead and open our OBS Studio. So here we are in our OBS Studio. And what I want us to consider is the devices that we are using to capture audio. If you're capturing audio from maybe the sound system guy, you will definitely use such banana pins or such audio cables. But in our case here, since we are using our own devices, and for my case, as I speak right now, I am using this kind of microphone that is connected to my PC using these audio pins and this sound card. This is the receiver of the microphones. So once these are connected, as you can see, it's just a simple connection from the receiver to the sound card, then the sound card to the PC. Well, and once they are well linked to the PC, this is what you have to do. Open your OBS and come here. I want you to come here to the mic stroke AUX. Click on these three buttons, then click on properties. Once you are in properties, I want you to select the device or the microphone device to USB microphone. Why? Because I am using a sound card that is being inserted into the PC through the USB port. If you're using some other device that you know is connected in here through some other port, then you'll definitely select it here. But for my case here, I'm using the microphone that is being connected to the PC through USB port. That's why I'm selecting microphone USB audio. Click OK. So once it is clicked on OK, I will just increase this and then see whether the audio is being picked. As you can see, if I tap here, you'll see it coming in. But now let's say the audio is not all that good. Let's say the audio isn't the best. What do we do? So what we shall do is just come here on our PC, just click on Windows and then type in Control Panel, then click on Open. So once this is open, we shall come here to Hardware and Sound. Yes, and then we shall also click on Sound here. So once we are on sound, we shall come here to this window will pop up, and then we shall come to recording. In recording, we shall look for the microphone that is inserted in here. And the microphone that is inserted is the one that has actually a green tick on it, and that is the USB audio device. Remember, even in OBS, I'm using the USB audio device. So when you click onto it, just click on its properties here, and then come to levels. So as you can see, my microphone here is on 100%, but it is sounding all good because on my microphone here there are buttons that can enable me to adjust the volume. You see, so if your microphone, this microphone doesn't have the adjustable knobs that can help you reduce or increase the volume, then you will need to consider this option whereby you'll be able to reduce it. If I reduce it to this amount, I'm sure you cannot hear anything now. I'm sure you cannot hear anything now. I was just saying that I'm sure you cannot hear anything now. But I was just saying that I'm sure you couldn't hear anything then. But right now, if I keep adjusting it, you can listen and tell how the volume is increasing and decreasing. So this is one thing that you should consider, and once that's done, then I'm sure you will have adjusted your audio a little bit. If this doesn't work still, you can as well come here to and while you're doing this, make sure that your volume is up here. Make sure that your volume is up there. The reason why my volume is not up there is because I'm using some other software to record this, and in case I increase the volume here, then you will definitely hear echoes in my sound. But when you're doing this, make sure that your volume here is on 100%. Yes. So the other thing that you need to consider is filters. Just come here, click on filters, and as you can see, I have quite a number of filters in here. But what you can do is add in this noise suspension filter. Let me just delete these filters that I have in here. What you will do is just come on add, then add a noise suppression filter. Click OK. then come here, click on low PC, and here you'll be able to adjust it according to your preferences. The more you adjust it, the more the higher the results. So most of the times I normally keep it at around -10 decimals, between -10 decimals to -1 decimals. That's when I'm trying to reduce the background noise. There are quite a number of more audio filters in here, so you can definitely try them out and see how they work. But try the other first options that I showed you, and if this worked for you, remember to give me a thumbs up, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment on my video. See you.